2025 has come and gone. Plans for 2026, basically carrying over from 2025. The ultimate plan is to finish all the current projects before getting more. That won't happen this year. That's just too much work. I'd like to start with at least 2 for this year, though. Get 2 completed and worry about the others. Last year, I made a self-rule and I stuck to it. I wasn't allowed to get any more cars or projects for the whole year. I went through with it too. It's probably the first time in like 15 years I haven't gotten something. Coming up this year though, I probably will get a new daily driver until I get one of their projects 100%. And the plan still stands, so no new projects until all current projects are completed. So I have enough work with the ones I already have, no need for getting more just to put on the back burner. The 2026 roster is the Tundra, RX-8, RX-7, Trans Am, 300ZX, and RX-7. Alright, the Tundra. When it needs something, it will just take priority. It's already running and roadworthy. It's my daily driver and I'd like it to stay on the road for now. It has over 220,000 miles. It will be getting some new plugs, coils, and seals for the valve cover soon. The RX-8. A lot of work went into the RX-8 this past year. It was more than I thought it needed and more than I would have liked to given it. The only plan I have for it now is to clean it up, get the stereo working, do a little more tuning, and sell it. With the idea of bringing in a new daily driver, it won't hurt to free up some space by selling this one. The RX-7. A good bit of work went into the Kraken last year. I didn't put as much as I thought I could. I expected it to already be done. See, the thing is with some projects, you add to the list when you get into them. While I'm doing this, I might as well do this, and this, and this. Plus, life just hits and take over sometimes. So, there are still some loose ends to tie up. Then the engine and transmission will be able to go in, and I can get to a point to where I'll finally be able to start wrapping it up. I'll do a progress update video on it soon. Trans Am. I had a lot of back and forth on what to do with this car. I'm still not really sure what to do. I still have an engine and all the swap and turbo stuff for it. It will need a transmission to get it all back together. At the least, I'd like to get the body on point and painted. Then see what to do from there. 300ZX. I know it needs the clutch master cylinder replaced, which I have. The ignition switch wired back in, and I'll be able to go from there. To get it running, I'm thinking with some fresh plugs and fluids, I'll be able to determine from there. At the most, it may need a starter and some wiring. Once it's running, I'll cut the passenger floorboard and replace it. The tires will need to be replaced, and then it should be at least able to drive. RX-7, the Kamikaze. When it comes time to get to the final boss, I want to start on the bodywork and get all the suspension powder coated and freshened up like I did with the Kraken. The goal was to make it this far. I know I most likely won't have the means to get a powertrain in the car. I don't project this one to be running this year because I'm being realistic. It's getting either an LS3, an LS7, or a 2JZ GTE. This car will be my ultimate build. This will be my ace. So that's it for everything. I mean, I should have my hands pretty full without digging into more projects, which is why I have my self-rule: no more until I'm finished with what I already have on my plate.